Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to RJ Coding Tips. Today I'm going to share something super exciting. I had the chance to attend Cybrella 2024 at NIELIT Imphal, and not only did I get to attend, but I also played a key role in making this event a success. So let's deep dive into everything that went down during this amazing convention. First things first, I had the privilege of being the head developer for Cybrella 2024. I actually got to build the official website for the event, which is currently live at cybrella.in. You can check out the website. The website was built using Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. Working on the website was a rewarding experience, especially collaborating with a fantastic team of tech enthusiasts. It was an incredible learning opportunity for me, and I'm super excited and super proud of the outcome. Now, let's get into action. Day 1 was packed with some of the coolest events you could ever think of. The highlights, we had a code debugging contest, which was massively hit with all the coders in the room. Let us see how it went. There was also some intense competitive coding where people showed off their programming skills and creativity under time pressure. Aside from coding, we had something for the hardware geeks too, that is, circuit designing. This event had participants create functional circuits that were both efficient and innovative. But unfortunately, I couldn't add the videos of circuit designing, so next time when we host new conventions, we would surely add the videos. So during the convention, we had so many other events also, like there were gaming events and esports. And what's a gaming convention without gaming? Am I right? So Cybrella 2024 didn't disappoint us with gaming esports events taking the stage. The main game that got everyone hyped was BGMI and Mobile Legends. So for day 1, we got to host BGMI with online streaming partners like Kiwi Gaming and Venom Esports. So the esports vibe was strong whether you were playing or just spectating. The energy in the room was amazing. On the other side, there were players playing the games and there were the audience that were spectating from the other side. We get to invite so many audience and we managed to set up a room which was at the seminar hall of NIELIT Imphal where people could watch the live gaming events. As you can see in these videos, people are spectating the live gaming esports events.
Sudah berubah jika catat ini. Ada yang ngasih kok, ya. Kerana di sini pun lompat. Baca ini ya. Baca.
So we could make this convention a success one. So overall, for the day 1 of Cybrella 2024 was nothing short of awesome. I had such a great time working behind the scenes and watching everyone unfold. If you want more updates on what happened next, stay tuned for day 2 recap and more. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to RJ Coding Tips for more tech and event content. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.